Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia. This is our 10 a.m. Video. Woohoo! Dogecoin in the house, guys. So yesterday we had a bit of a flash crash, Dogecoin flash crash, cryptocurrency flash crash, and all the cryptos kind of went down 10%. We're coming back up again, guys. So I just want to tell you what happened, why it happened, and give you some of my predictions, what's going to happen in the next couple weeks, months, and make you guys understand what's really going on. Because a lot of YouTubers, they just hype and talk, but they really don't tell you what's happening. So I want to talk about the fundamentals and the mechanics and why this is actually happening, guys. So you guys need to watch this video to the end, okay? Some of it's going to be a little bit technical. Some of it may be a little bit, boring. But you guys, if you have invested in crypto and you're holding crypto, you need to watch this. You need to watch to the end so you can fully understand what is going on, guys. So it's really important that you guys fully understand the mechanisms behind the flash crash, what's causing it, and why it's happening, and what's gonna move the markets forward. So it's really important that we get into the content. You guys watch it from the end. All right, guys. So woohoo! Dogecoin to the moon and beyond. And I just want to say I love all of you guys. And so let's dive right in right now. So you can see that Bitcoin yesterday. Bitcoin is now trading around about 35,358, and it dipped down to 33,000, and it went down around about 7.5%. So if you look at the short term, it seems like the drops never end. So it just seems like, oh my God, another drop. And the same thing is happening for Doge. Yesterday we saw Doge go down as low as 25 cents, 25.8. And now it's trading around about 27.6. So you can see that the drop of Doge yesterday was almost 100% in line, in parallel with what was going on with Bitcoin. So once again, this just goes to show that the Bitcoin fundamentals and the Doge fundamentals in terms of the movement of those cryptos are pretty much linked. So you guys need to understand that. But what's really important, and you guys need to understand, is you guys need to zoom out. If you zoom out, things don't look so bad, okay? Bitcoin and Doge have been ranging. Bitcoin has been ranging between $33,000 and $40,000 for some time, and the same can be said. For Doge. So we can see that we can see a similar pattern happening for Doge. That is happening for Bitcoin. So it's been really range bound. Now you guys need to also look. If you look back at April, the April pattern for Doge, you can see something similar happening. So you can see that up there. You can see that the pattern was pretty similar. That in April, we saw there was a big high, then there was a collapse. Then there was a kind of sideways momentum before we ran up to our, just prior to SNL all-time high. So I really believe that this same and similar scenario is happening again, guys. So I believe that, this capitulation by Bitcoin and this capitulation by Dogecoin, we're seeing a consolidation, we're seeing range boundness before we have our big run up to our next level. Okay, guys? So if you look back, and you can see that in the chart on the left, that we're seeing a very similar pattern that we saw in April before we had our major big breakout, guys. So that's really important that you guys understand that, be aware of that, and don't panic, okay, guys? So what's going on? When are we going to break out? This is a big question. People saying, when are we going to break out? When are we going to break out? So one of the things you guys need to look at is if you look at the Bitcoin difficulty. Typically, Bitcoin difficulty, it's been going up and up and up. But recently, you can see that there's been two periods where the Bitcoin mining difficulty has been going down. And the difficulty is about to be announced again. And you can see that there's going to be 3 times this year consecutively that's coming up right now that Bitcoin difficulty has gone down. Now we have not seen this happen before. The last time this happened was in November and December in 2018. And when this this is very unheard of and very unprecedented. You know, so we've not seen the Bitcoin difficulty drop 3 times in a row. The last time was 2018. Yep. And it's about to happen again, guys. And what does that all mean? Well, in 2018, Bitcoin fell from $3,000 to $6,000, and that was a correction of almost 50%. So now the same thing is happening, and we've already had our 50% correction from the top, and now we're trading sideways. So we're seeing a very similar pattern as 2018 when we saw the Bitcoin difficulty, the hash rate, go down 3 consecutive times. You can see the chart up there on the left. So what does that mean for Dogecoin? You guys are like, what does that mean for Dogecoin? Well, what's happening is Bitcoin is the capitulation has been made, and how long are we going to trade sideways? Well, I believe that we're going to go sideways can be anywhere from 4 to 6 more weeks, because we can see that the Bitcoin difficulty 3 times in a row went down November to December 2018, and that caused a 50% drop in Bitcoin from $6,000 to $3,000. And then we had that big leg up. You can see the chart. So the same thing's happening again. You know, we went down from our 63,000, and now we've gone all the way back down to 35,000. So we've seen our 50% drop. Now we've been trading sideways for Bitcoin, and now we're going to see our big breakout coming soon. So guys, don't panic. This is very normal. This is Bitcoin capitulation. I believe that a breakout is imminent. It's a matter of time. We may see, you know, 3, 4, 6 more weeks of sideways action, but definitely there's going to be a breakout in Bitcoin. And if that happens, then Dogecoin is definitely going to be breaking out. So all of you guys who are getting worried and getting doubtful, you guys just need to hold the line. Don't panic. All right, guys? So, you know, you guys just need to not panic. And then also, if you look at the short squeezes, you know, a lot of people that traded that have short positions on Bitcoin, you can see that's come way down. And you know, people who have these short positions on Bitcoin right now, you can see in the chart, they're starting to get scared. They're starting to panic because they feel and see that all of the, you know, on-chain data is showing that there's going to be a big reversal soon, guys. So you can see that it's really clear to me that the short leverage positions are coming down. You can see the chart there, and this is really telling that a breakout is imminent. It's really imminent. All right. And then we had this recent Plan B stock to flow article. You know, I'll leave the link in the description. So Plan B stock to flow, they definitely say that 135,000 Bitcoin is incoming at the end of the year. So, you know, we could be looking by September, October time frames back up to $63,000 Bitcoin, and that should take Dogecoin well within grasp of $1. In August, we could see, you know, $45,000, $50,000 Bitcoin coming in if you look at the Plan B stock to flow model. So guys, I know right now you guys are a little bit shaky. We saw this flash crash that happened, you know, about 5 to 6 hours ago. Guys, don't panic. Doge is holding its own. The fundamentals are there. We got Zoe Pay, we got the cruise, we got the reduced fees, we got the increased transaction speed, we got the Ren Doge. Later today, I'm going to talk about something called Doge Labs. This is a new project, and this is building an Ethereum bridge, a pure Ethereum bridge to Doge. You guys are going to love it. I'm going to love it. Guys, don't panic, okay? Bitcoin is in capitulation mode. We're going to see sideways action. We're seeing for Dogecoin also a lot of sideways action, and we're seeing a similar pattern as we saw in April before we had the big run up. All right, guys. So I'm still pretty confident that July we're going to see big moves for Dogecoin. As soon as Bitcoin has a big move, we're going to see this big move, guys. So if you like this channel, smash the like. Please subscribe right now. Check out my links below. Free charting tool. Guys, become a member. get the perks, get inside information, get behind the scenes video. Yesterday I released a beautiful video. A lot of my members are raving about it, going crazy about it. They just love it. They absolutely love it. So guys, hopefully this video wasn't too boring. I know maybe it was a bit technical, but you guys need to hear that Bitcoin is in capitulation mode. It's going to be going sideways for 1 or 2 or 3 more weeks. Dogecoin will probably be doing the same thing. Dogecoin is forming the same pattern that we had in April before we had the big all-time high. So I definitely see that big things are coming. Woohoo! Dogecoin to the moon, guys. I love you guys. Be well. Be blessed. See you in the next one. Woohoo! Please watch this video into the end and rewind. Watch it again and again and again. Love you guys. Bye.